When people ask me what I do, my first response is that I am a storyteller. Before I could write stories of my own, I collected them. I listened to my mom tell stories of people and places she knew back home in Jamaica. I listened to jazz music, read poetry, and watched documentaries of Black anthropologists, thinkers, dancers, and artists. I began journaling and writing essays in elementary school. I gained awards and recognition for my writing in every grade level. Around this time, I also began acting in church plays and landed an adult role when I was just a kid. Every sign was leading me to the path of being an artist, but to be honest, I just wasn't sure how to make that dream come true. In middle school, I auditioned for Dillard Center for the Arts, a performing arts high school, and got accepted. I then became a thespian and really began to learn about the craft of acting and the history of theater. I later studied theater in college at the University of Central Florida. However, the opportunities at a predominantly white institution were slim. So I started to find my people outside of school and act in plays, films, and projects on campus and in the Orlando community. My gift of directing was nurtured as I participated in my local ministry. I honed my skills of writing, collaborating, and devising work. And this really laid the groundwork for what would now be one of my greatest passions, directing. I studied at Yale School of Drama, receiving my directing certificate in the summer of 2021. Shortly after, I was given the opportunity to direct my first professional production, The Play Sweat by Lynn Nottage at the Annie Russell Theater. From there, I've been given the opportunity to direct and continue to lead creative projects, and I was also chosen as an SDCF Fellow for directing, which allowed me to meet my mentor, Patricia McGregor, and shadow her at the Geffen Theater in LA. I'm still acting, writing, directing, listening, and collecting stories. This next chapter of my life and artistry, I'm telling stories of radical joy, liberation, and stories that bring collective healing.